Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Scholarship. There are also master scholarships in Spain for international students. For instance, the Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Scholarship Program is joint initiative of many prestigious international institutions to gather talented students and deliver international partnerships between universities, both EU and non-EU nationals who have obtained their bachelor's degree and want to pursue their master's degree can apply for that scholarship. So some of the participating universities in Spain are University of Cantabria, Polytechnic University of Madrid, Technical University of Catalonia, University of Leiden, University of Barcelona. So these universities you can apply for that scholarship. Requirements to qualify for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship: you must have bachelor's degree, enroll in joint master's program from the Erasmus Mundus catalog. Each master program has its requirements, which you can check from the catalog above both, but generally you will be evaluated based on your GPA and professional background, academic achievements, motivation letter. How much is the Erasmus Mundus scholarship? The scholarship grant varies per program. You will have to take a look at specific program website, but in general, the grant covers tuition fee, health insurance, travel costs, school material, and monthly stipend. How to apply? To apply, click the. So here you can take a look how to apply. To click on the program you want to participate in and contact the project person. Each program has different deadline. Set MS Master's Merit Scholarships. Students who pursue a master's degree in science at a university can benefit from its tuition fee scholarship. The said Master's Merit Scholarship are open to local EU and non-EU graduates. Requirements. So since it's merit-based scholarship, you will be evaluated based on your GPA, academic achievements, university transcript, motivation letter, GRE score, and interview report. How much is the Master's Merit Scholarship? How to apply? So you can go to university's admission portal, tips, keep eye on deadline, and you can take a look at these tips. Make sure you take the requested exam, gather the application material as soon as possible, apply for smaller scholarship to write motivation letter from your heart. Mind the spelling in your motivation letter and double check your documents. So these documents you need to provide: scholarship application form, motivation letter, GPA, transcript, diploma, and stay motivated even if you are not eligible for the scholarship. Good luck. Now we'll take a look. You can take a look at that admission portal for further information. I wish you best of luck for that scholarship, and if you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. So here you can sign up and log in and submit your application. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.